Hey, it's me again. I know it's been a long time, way too long. But now that we're social distancing, I thought I'd take a moment to catch up with everyone. You know, it's hard to consistently post content, and now that we're kind of stuck in one place, I wanted to try something. So I broke out my Osmo, and I'm just going to give you a little highlight video of something that's really special to me. And my dad has always been a woodworker, and a lot of you know that I take care of my parents now. My dad is now bedridden and can no longer do the woodwork like he used to do. So I thought I would take a minute and highlight some of the incredible work that this man has done over the years. And so I putting this little thing together just as an appreciation of someone I love very much. So let's get to it. Okay, there you go. My mind goes every time I look at his work. I'm the kind of guy that I'll cut it 3 times and it's still too short. So anyway, let's take it easy as the virus makes its rounds. Be smart, be safe. See you next time.